Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining what you track and why, label your accounts, and set financial goals. Create a workbook with tabs for accounts, transactions, budget, reports, and a raw data snapshot. Once done, standardize date and currency formats to avoid formula errors, then import CSVs or connect a bank feed into the raw tab. Make sure to keep original files. You need an untouched source to re-import if something goes wrong. This gets you from zero to a reproducible foundation quickly. You now clean and categorize transactions so numbers become meaningful. Add month and week helper columns, normalize descriptions, and ensure amounts have the correct sign. Then apply a category column using a controlled list, fixed, variable, savings, and subcategories. Once done, use XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP to map merchant rules and apply conditional formatting to highlight uncategorized or duplicate entries. This structure lets you build pivot tables and formulas that feed budgets and forecasts without manual fixes every month. You finish by creating a simple dashboard, budget versus actual pivots, trend charts, and a summary of cash and net worth. Automate refreshes using Power Query or macros and schedule regular backups to version your workbook. Once done, reconcile every month against statements and move discrepancies to an Issues tab. This is critical so errors don't compound. If things break, restore the last good snapshot, check date formats and lookup keys. Then rerun imports. Most problems trace to a changed source format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.